First impressions, beautiful. Alrighty, the nightstands have arrived. I have 2 of them, packaged very well. Let's go ahead and get them out, put them together. We'll show you what my bedroom looks like. Alrighty, we got all our parts, instruction manual. Alrighty, super easy to put together. Instructions are very clear, step-by-step instructions, and we're looking absolutely fantastic. So let's finish this up, finish both of them up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, ooh la la, I have put my first one together. We got one more to put together, and first impressions, beautiful. So, well, we have it away from the bed. Let's go ahead and give you a little spit shoot and see what we got. All the dimensions, again, will be linked in the description box below the video. I will have these nightstands linked where you can read more about them, pick them up yourself, and all the dimensions will be in that listing. Right off the bat, 2 USB power sources right here, 2 power plugs. You have your cord that comes out the back right here. It's a 3-prong grounded plug and very nice bleached teak wood looking. I love the color of it. It's not that oaky color, it's that bleached kind of teak look, and it's gonna match my bedroom motif really beautifully. And so we will put these right over here next to the bed, and we'll show you what that looks like again with all my decor. That's gonna look absolutely stunning. Now that we have the light on, let's go ahead and take a look at it a little bit closer. Alrighty, so right off the bat, you have nice round edges here, and then a square edge here. Beautiful, nice 3-drawer system here. Now, the company does make some other models of this as well with a little bit of a perch, as we can see right there. So check out that listing. They have some other options and styles as well, which are really cool. Coming over here, nice little handles right here as well, and beautiful drawers. Again, 3-drawer, 1, 2, and 3. And then what I love about it the most is the texture on the front. Not to mention power strip, but just the beautiful texture to it, as we can see right off the front here. So anyway, let's put the other one together. Let's put these in place. We'll load them up. We'll show what we can put inside of it, what the lamps look like on top. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the nightstands. They are all set up and ready to go. Again, with the look to it here, matching the motif that I have in my bedroom here. So if you are going to put lamps on it, obviously the plugs, ports, and USB ports is kind of like right here, right? So if you aren't going to be using those, you could just literally back up your lamp over the top, or I just set it right in front. And if you're going to use these for your lamp, then I would cord management it up, have very little wiring coming up and then plugging in. Again, 2 USBs, 2 grounded plugs over here on this side. Nice space on the top as well. Opening up the drawers, couple books, your journal. Second drawer, I got a little vacuum and some keys, knickknacks, and headphones, and a white noise machine down in the 3rd drawer. Now, look at their listing once again in the description box below. Look at their listing, because you can either A, use these as nightstands, or like a mini, and I wouldn't say a mini, it's just smaller than like, you know, a hutch type of a thing like this. But you could put these side by side for a lower down Chester drawers. Again, this is IKEA. They are on 6-inch upgraded foot mounts to them, but that would be like a smaller Chester drawers hutch, entryway hutch. You guys get the idea there. Alrighty, once again, here we go here. We are charging right here, charging the cell phone. Now, just the biohacker in me, I'm just gonna let you know, do not keep your cell phone by the bedside. You can charge it, but put it in a different room. Don't look at it the first thing you do when you get up in the morning. Enjoy life, pray. Let me go ahead and show you this here, but don't scroll on the phone first thing in the morning. Let's go ahead and click that in right here. Charging, so you can again go straight in with your USB or plug in your lamp, or of course, you know, use a power brick for your phone. Very convenient, very nice for charging purposes, or plug in your Alexa straight into here, as I have my Echo Show 5 right over here. Again, giving you some nice room on the top, 3 drawers, organization, looks good. So something to keep in mind is that these nightstands are going to be a little bit wider than I'm personally used to. Now, what does that mean? That means if you have a very large bed, a queen, a king, and your room is not very wide, it might take up the whole entire area. So look at the dimensions, make sure they can fit in there, because these are wider than my previous ones and a little bit wider than IKEA ones as well. But if you have the room and you have the bed like I do, they look really, really sharp. Once again, top link in the description box below the video are going to be these exact same nightstands where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see home DIY projects like this, more tech reviews. My name's Chris, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.